Alrighty, we are back with the H6000A again, and well, I got this thing fixed and working as it should. So I did exactly what I said I was going to do. I took my parts, my chassis that I had stripped down, and I transferred everything from the H6000A to this chassis, and I put the H6000A case and everything on it, and now the thing works perfectly again, and it's actually even a little bit quieter this way as well. So yeah, like I said, I was right, it was the front bushing. Now I did actually make a video of fixing this opener, which I'll post next. I need to edit it and all that stuff. But I did make a video of fixing this thing and rebuilding it, so something a little different. I'll show you over here. I'm going to throw these away after the video, but I have the original motor parts, except for this. This end bell is from the CM7600. We already know that's bad. But my question for anybody watching this, so this is what these are the motor parts, the original motor parts from the H6000A. You can see how dark these are. And, you know, you've got some spots that are shinier than others, but for the most part it's pretty dark color compared to how the motor from the IS900 looked. It was silver. I don't know if that's because this one has a different type of motor in it, or if the dark spots mean that it was kind of burning up some, because I mean, it did have kind of a strange smell to it. And I mean, there's some shavings in here. You can kind of tell we have a little bit of shavings going on here. So I decided I would just use the motor from the good motor parts from the IS900 since they still worked. So yeah, got this thing working just fine again, so I can now put it on stuff and it'll work. Got it on the one-piece rail. Also can tell this is definitely a good motor because it coasts. Actually, I think this is the most I've ever seen a Genie screwdriver coast is on this machine. But I mean, that's one way how I can tell if a Genie screwdriver motor is good, is if it coasts quite a bit. Good motor. Got good bearings in it. So I've got the multifunction console hooked up, which is what it would have come with, and this remote is the remote it would have come with, model ACS CTG Type 3. So go ahead and run this. Yeah, so I mean, it doesn't cost a whole lot, I guess, but it's the most I've ever seen a Genie screwdriver coast. Alright, we'll run this down. You can also hear it is quieter with this other motor in it as well, which I also like. So we'll run it one more time, and that'll be it. Oops. Pushed the button twice on accident. And down. And rail does make quite a bit of noise, but just need to lube it at some point. So there you go, there's a little update on the H6000A. So thanks for watching.